Justified 3 presents a skit based on a Bible story well known by every Christian.
Like every other story, this shows the goodness and graciousness of God, but also His wrath.
A story of light and of darkness.
A story of Adam and Eve. In the beginning, naghimo ang atong Ginoo ug dako kaayo na kalibutan. Puno og mga stars, bright kaayo na sun, and kabalo ka unsa pa?
Usa po man, planets?
Oh, planets!
Ay, as in, bitaw. Nagpili siya isa ka planet, iyang gitawag og Earth. Diri sa Earth, daghan siya'y gipang butang.
Light,
Dagat,
mga halaman,
mga mananap, alala,
ug ang pinaka-special sa tanan, kita. And God saw and said that it was good.
But there was something missing. Something or someone to give rule over everything else He made. A man.
God created man in His own image, and he was named Adam. And He placed him in a beautiful garden called Eden.
So naghatag ang Ginoo og special task para kang Adam na panganlan tanan mananap sama sa Najigwanya Mamaisha Baba Mimmawepa 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 Mimmawepa.
Pero nakanotice ang Ginoo. Nakanotice ang Ginoo na tanan animals na ay partner. Pero si Adam wala.
So, gipatulog o grabe kadugay sa Ginoo si Adam. O gikuha niya iyang rib. Ha? Oh! Gikuha niya iyang ribs. Unya, tideng, nanadayan si Eve.
Yay! Another partner
Yay!
team! Congrats, Adam!
Yes! So, nag-live sila happily ever Char lang.
Wala pa, uy. Pero nag-live jud sila happily. Gauban sila sa Ginoo, storya-storya sila.
And He walks with me and He talks with me and He tells them I am His own. And the joy we shared as we tarry there, none other has ever known.
Pero, one day, joke. Basically, perfect ilang fellowship with the Lord. Naghatag ang Ginoo og isa ka rule though.
Pwede ninyo makaon tanan bunga sa tanan punuan, except the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Or else you will die.
O nituman man jud sila sa Ginoo. Pero one day, nagdula-dula si Eve sa mga ilaga na si Dandan ug Makmak. Unya. Pero,
Unya,
naay niabot na serpent.
serpent. Ay.
Nara.
Taga-isa ko kuan. Gusto ka magkaan ng prutas?
Ha? Di ba dili pwede kauno ng fruit tree of the knowledge of good and evil?
Sure ka, dili pwede. Tanawa ra good na oh. So plump, so juicy, and so yummy.
Hala, uy! Yummy pito! Pero dili pwede. Kay ingon ng Ginoo na dili pwede kauno ng tree of the knowledge of good and evil.
Sus! Wala ka kabalo na ginatago sa Ginoo sa inyo na kung kauno ni mo ni, maparihas mo sa iyaha.
Ha? As in?
Ulagi, dili ka mamatay. Tanawa gani.
Pero mas scared mo ko eh. Okay. Itadakimasu. Ha?
O, di ba? Di ba? Ka namatay.
Namipitaw. Hoy, Adam! Adam, alisa di Rebecca. O, nasa ni?
Uy. Asa mo ni magkikuha? Sa tree of the knowledge of good and evil?
Oh, pero wala man ko namatay. Tanawa ra good ni oh. So plump, so juicy, so yummy.
Huh? Sure ba? Sure ever more. Okay.
Ah? And in that moment, their eyes were opened and saw that they were naked. They felt ashamed, so they hid themselves and sewed fig leaves to cover their nakedness. And they heard the voice of the Lord calling them, "Where art thou?"
I hear your voice, Lord, but I hid myself because I was naked.
And the Lord then asked,
Why did you eat of the tree I commanded you not to eat from?
Adam feared and blamed Eve.
But she offered me the fruit, Lord.
Me? I was deceived so myself. It was the serpent.
Because of this,
The Lord was angered and cursed the serpent above every beast of the field.
He cursed the woman with great sorrow upon conception, and men shall rule over her.
And he cursed the man to work all the days of his life, and food would be difficult to have just as it was in the garden. But the heaviest curse of all was a separation from God.
Men would die as this was the Lord's penalty, even before the sin was committed.
They were exiled from the beautiful place the Lord once prepared for them.
But you know, after all the disobedience and foolishness, the Lord loved them the same. Sure, their relationship was broken, but it's amazing how the Lord still looked after them.
no matter how sinful we can be, how easily we are swayed, and how distant we may stray, the Lord will always be willing to accept us with His loving arms.
God never left their side and blessed them with a great family. That family includes us of today. And to this day, we still see the same mercy and grace the Lord has given our first father and mother of this world.
And this was the story of Adam and Eve.
The end.